Alright guys, welcome back. I've got an interesting project for you. I'm going to tell you now. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, now's the time to do so, because you're not going to want to miss this build and this build. This build here belongs to Will. It's a 2002 Ford Windstar. It was shipped down here from Pittsburgh. Will was so eager to get it to me, he shipped it down before I actually had the shop set up. I had to build the shop wall, stripping this and going through it and finding the issues with it. I'm going to have a full video series on this one soon, but quick rundown: he had 100 grand in it. He had 4 13W7s, 2 8W7s. Each 13W7 was powered by a JL HD 1200. Each 8W7 was getting 500 watts from the 5th channel of a HD 905. The vehicle did a 140.9. It had 2 Helix processors, 2 JL tweaks, and I had 2 channels total that were EQ'd. It was bad, and I've got videos that I shot as I tore it apart and went through it, because Will sent it down. He wanted me to, he was just unhappy with it, and I said, Will, you've spent so much money on this vehicle, I don't want to have to tear it apart. And he said, Jason, I hear what you're saying, but we'll have this discussion again when you get it in hand. And there it is. So video on that, full rundown of what I found when I tore it down, is coming up. But now that the Audi's gone, I can put all my effort and attention on this. I say that, but at the same time, this guy right here, there's a lot of parallels between what I'm going to do in the van and what I'm going to do here. 224s here, 8 24s here in the XB. Both vehicles will be powered by a Sundown Salt 12 amplifier, and they'll both be wired to 1/2 ohm. So we're going to have between 24 and 25,000 watts on the pair of 24s in the 4th order in this van, and on the 8 24s in this guy. So a lot of you are going to just not understand what you're looking at here. It's going to look like a 4th, but it's not going to be a 4th. So if we take a look at what we've got here, this is a quick rundown. I've got everything stripped between the C and D pillars. I still got some bracketry to remove right there. The headliner, I'm getting ready to drop it because it's nasty and filthy. You can see the difference between clean and dirty. And once I drop this, I can build to the interior of the vehicle, not to the headliner. So everything's stripped. I've got a few more things to come out. The headliner will drop, and then I can start applying second skin to both vehicles on the roof, get that taken care of, and then just start packing the voids with mineral wool in both vehicles. And that will be the way it goes. Talking about second skin and mineral wool, the Audi I took to Nick Saturday morning. We went to a meet in Pulaski, Virginia. Nick's first impression of the Audi on the road is that it does not make sense. What he's seeing driving down the road versus what he's experiencing as far as auditory and hearing. Driving down the road, he's driving a car. There's other vehicles. We're doing 80 miles an hour. But yet, listening, Nick said it's like being in a studio. So all of the sound treatment that you guys saw in the videos on the Audi, it definitely added up. All of the things, you get to a point applying material and people say that you hit a point of diminishing returns. Yes, they could be diminishing returns, but they're still additional, and all of that little additional stuff adds up as a whole. So the car is insanely quiet. I put people in it, the FedEx guy, the UPS guy, the guy that came, filled our gas tank, just guys in town that have come. They've all been creeped out by it. Nick's mom was creeped out by it. His neighbor was creeped out by it. It's insanely quiet. You guys, you need to get out and see the car when it's at shows. It's very, very different. So yeah, Audi's pretty cool. We've got a few little things on it to finish up. I've got a couple of panels in the back that need to get carpeted, and the floor, the false floor that's going to hide that sub and that 200.4 back there. I need to add one section of steel sound treat the floor and then wrap it in carpet, and that will be in the car for the final time. So again, van, XB, and the XB, since we're putting 824s in and they're stereo integrity subs, Project Cyclone is what we're going to call it. SI for stereo integrity, clone, Cyclone. So there's some stuff to look forward to in the future. When the Audi comes back, we'll get a full rundown on it. Once the floor is done, I'll shoot a video of that for you, and I'll have a build series on the van, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers van, and on the XB here. So see you guys later.